But the majority of the people of Israel that are scattered, we've been converted to Christianity out of ignorance. And what the core of Christianity says, Christianity basically is like replacement. It's not like, it is. It's replacement theology, but people don't understand that. It replaces the 12 tribes of Israel because people don't understand the scriptures. Christianity basically says that Jesus, Yahushua, he come to save everybody because they take John 3:16 out of context. John 3:16 says God, and you have to put God in context. God is the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. God so loved the world. So that means he's talking about Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. He's the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. So he's talking about Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. When he said God so loved the world, that's who he's talking about. But people don't understand that because they take it out of scripture. God so loved the world that he gave his son, Jesus, Yahushua. Jesus is a Hebrew Israelite of the seed of Abraham, of the tribe of Judah. Jesus is an Israelite, Hebrew Israelite, of the seed of Abraham, of the tribe of Judah. That's who the Son of God is. God loved the world so much he gave his son, that whosoever believe, whosoever is talking about the 12 tribes of Israel. But again, your 501c3 corporations, pastors, preachers, and teachers of the Antichrist church system have deceived you. See, so it's about everybody now. That's what Christianity said. It's about everybody. That's a lie. It's not about everybody. It's always from Genesis to Revelation about God's chosen people, because he's the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. So when you get to the New Testament in the book of Revelation, it talks about the kingdom of heaven and the 12 gates. It's not just some type of symbol. That's who this kingdom of heaven is for. In the book of Acts, the disciples asked Yahushua, Jesus, are you at this time going to restore the kingdom to Israel? The kingdom of heaven belongs to Israel. That's why it's 12 gates for the 12 tribes of Israel. So I'm not talking about those people over in the land called the nation of Israel who call themselves Jewish. The scripture says they're of the synagogue of Satan. They say that they are Jews, but they do lie. And so those people, they're not God's chosen people. All of the chosen people of the Most High, of Yahuah, were scattered.